They say wealth is hidden beneath the ground, in gold, in diamonds, in oil. But Africa's greatest treasure has never been beneath her feet. It has always lived within her people. The wealthiest don't simply earn, they create. They don't only consume, they produce. They don't wait for opportunity, they build it. Now is the time to awaken the creator within.
Every sunrise brings another chance to build tomorrow with these willing hands. The seed of greatness lives inside your mind, waiting for the courage you must find. Not every road is smooth and wide, but every dream begins inside. The future isn't bought or sold, it's built by hearts that dare be bold. Rise up, children, stand up tall. Every giant once was small. The answer isn't far away, it lives inside what we create. Produce the future, don't wait another day. Build a better Africa, one dream along the way. Create tomorrow, let your vision lead. The richest hands upon this earth are the hands that plant the seed. Gold may glitter in the mountain stone, but greater riches grow when ideas are sown. Factories rising where hope once slept, promises built where tears were wept. Teachers teaching, farmers growing, scientists forever knowing, artists painting history's song, showing where we all belong. Lift your brother, lift your friend, together stronger to the end. Unity becomes our key when builders shape our destiny. Produce the future, don't wait another day. Build a better Africa, one dream along the way. Create tomorrow, let your vision lead. The richest hands upon this earth are the hands that plant the seed. No more waiting, no more blame. Every builder lights a flame. Every business, every school, every workshop breaks a rule. We're not prisoners of yesterday, we're architects of brighter days. Africa, rise and see, your greatest wealth is you and me. Let innovation lead the way, turning vision into everyday. From village roads to city lights, creation turns our dreams to flight. Children learning, mothers leading, young inventors boldly dreaming. Generation after generation, building one united nation. Produce the future, let the whole world see the power of a people who choose productivity. Create with purpose, stand in dignity. Africa is
designed. It will be cultivated. It will be engineered. It will be painted. It will be programmed. It will be planted. It will be built by producers, by creators, by visionaries.